Hi everyone, this is Anna back with another stamping video, and today I'm really excited to share with you a preview of a product coming in our new annual catalog, the 2020-2021 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. This is available for ordering right now. Stampin' Up! Gave us a kind of a little sneak peek where they released this early so that you can order any of the products from our Ornate Garden product suite early here in in April and in May before the new catalog actually comes out. So I wanted to show you these products. They're absolutely beautiful. So this is the card we're going to make today. So we'll get to see all these products, and I'm going to show you a really easy way to color stamped images that doesn't take much time at all. So this is what we're going to make. So these are the products we're going to use. This is the Ornate Style stamp set that has these really pretty floral images. Then we have the coordinating die set, which I think this is called Ornate Frames. I don't have the name right here, but look at these amazing dies that come included. I love, there's all sizes. So we have big ones, we have small ones, and we'll use 3 of these on today's card. Gonna mention this: when you are cutting out these really intricate frames, you will want to have your die brush to run over after you cut them out, leave the die on top of the paper, and use your die brush and your piece of foam underneath to get those little tiny pieces out. We have the one I just showed you, it has been retired, but the one we have now attaches to our take your pick tool. So I'll show you that. So this, I should mention, this product suite has another stamp set and die set bundle. It has one with beautiful greetings, words that can be paired up in different ways for your cards. I love the font on them. And it has a separate die set that everything coordinates. So let me show you the paper that goes in this product suite because it is amazing. Here are some of these papers, and they just have these all these really pretty floral designs. Some of them have the gold accents on them. That one does. This one does. This one does. I love these gold and white ones. You can color these in how you want. So, oh, this one has the gold as well. But just really pretty papers in this paper pack. We also have a few embellishments that go with it. We have a ribbon combo pack. We have these gilded gems that we're going to use on today's card. So just a lot of really neat products that all coordinate and allow you to make absolutely gorgeous cards without a whole lot of effort. So here's what we need for today's card. We need a terracotta tile card base, piece of white for the inside that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I have pre-cut these with the help of my small assistant who is standing here waiting for me to introduce her probably. So we have pre-cut these. This was out of the designer paper pack. This is just Whisper White. And then this one came out of Mint Macaron. And I've got a little bow here ready to go on when the time comes. So first thing I want to do is stamp this floral image, and I did not want the lines of the stamp itself to take away from the card. If I used black, I thought it would have taken away a little bit. So we are using crumb cake and this big beautiful flower stamp. So we'll ink this baby up. You ready?
Can I help
You
sponge?
ready? Can you help sponge?
Yeah.
If you get your stool over here a little closer. So I inked it up with crumb cake. I'm just going to stamp here. The whole thing will not show. It's going to go off the edges a touch. But we'll get that stamped with the crumb cake. And I want to, for the inside, I thought I'd just do a little bit right down here on the corner, just so that the inside coordinates with the front of the card. So we are done with the crumb cake. Now we are going to do some sponging. I told you I'm going to show you a really easy way to add color to these. If I sat down and colored this image, it would be nice and peaceful and relaxing. I could do it while I'm watching TV with my family or, you know, something like that. But this morning, for what I am doing, I did not want to spend a lot of time coloring this image. So I decided I was going to add the color with sponge daubers.
Green.
Scoot all this out for now and just have our stamp sets, and I'm going to bring the colors in over here. So let me show you the colors that we are using are
terracotta tile and old olive.
Terracotta tile, old olive, we have crushed curry, we have mint macaron, and we have blushing bride. So Kelsey, I would like to start with old olive. Will you ink up my dauber for me?
I did.
You already did old olive?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry about that.
And terracotta tile.
I'm hoping I can do this in a way that allows you to see what I'm doing. But I am just going to apply it. So I want to color the leaves first with my old olive. And you can start pressing real lightly. And then if you want it to be darker, you can always press harder to get more color. And then if you still don't have enough color, you may need to go back and re-ink your dauber on your pad.
Mommy, can I do
bring this in, you just tap it on the surface of your ink pad, just like that. You want to do this, Kelsey, for a minute?
Yeah.
Do you want to do these leaves down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
So keep it right on. Oh, she's trying on the thumb. That looks a little tricky. I don't know if I could do it on the thumb. And actually, I was going to point this out, and I will since it's the way she's doing it. She is doing more of a press down and lift up method. If you do it that way, it's going to be a little bit less blended than if you do like a back and forth motion. So I'll show you this up close here in just a second after I finish these leaves.
Mommy,
I think those are all the leaves. So I'll show this up close if we can get this to focus. But this, you just see a little bit more dots in the pattern, and these are a little bit more blended. So what are we doing here?
Terracotta.
Terracotta. We got to leave it up here so everybody can see. I think we're done with the old olive.
This one on the flowers.
You can. This is a little dangerous, so we didn't practice that Kelsey was going to be demonstrating, but I guess we will do it this way because this is going to show you that my 6-year-old stamping helper can do this. So if she can do it, I bet you all can too. So she went around the outside. Again, she is doing the press method. I did more of a circular blending method, but what she is doing works too. Okay, can you add some yellow dots in the center of those? So this is crushed curry that she's adding right now. Good. Now, would you like to add the let's do blushing bride on these little flowers? Okay. I really like this way of adding color. It's different from, you know, most of the time I use my blends markers or my aqua painter or the Stampin' Right markers, the watercolor pencils. There's a lot of different ways to add color, but this is a way that I don't do very often, and I thought it would be really good to show you today how to do it this way. And my small helper is doing the demoing, as you can see. Careful, girl. Okay, so now we are down to just the mint macaron. Kelsey has chosen to put the sponge dauber on her thumb. I prefer to put it on my index finger. I think it
doesn't fit on my other fingers.
Yeah, your index finger isn't big enough, is it? It just falls right off.
Yeah.
So that's why you're using your thumb, because it stays put. Good idea. Now I understand. It definitely wouldn't work very well if it didn't stay put on your finger, if it didn't stick on the end. All right. Well, excellent job, Kelsey. We'll show you these up close so you can see hers and the original card. Don't lean on that, babe. It shakes everything. Okay, so now we just need to stamp our greeting.
Can I do it?
And then we will assemble everything. I'll do this one, okay?
Okay.
So I have the You Are Simply Wonderful stamp from another set that I absolutely love, Bloom and Grow. I really like the floral images in this set, and these greetings and these fonts I just absolutely love. I think they're so pretty, and I love this big one, the You Are Simply Wonderful, because I love big greetings on my cards. Takes some of the work out of deciding what you're going to do with the rest of your card when you have a big greeting. So I think we have all of our pieces and parts, and we forgot to color the inside of this, but we can go back and do that afterwards. So let's just assemble all of this, and then you can see the finished product. So we'll put this on the inside. Like I said, we can go back and add some of the sponging here in a minute.
Can I do it?
Sure, after we are done, you can do it.
Yay.
There you can see that back side of this gorgeous DSP, the designer paper. Sometimes it's hard to decide which side to use. They're so pretty, but I usually, when they have these gold accents, I usually try to use the side with the gold accents. Just place this piece right over top. I'll add our greeting with a couple of pop-ups on the back.
Butterfly.
We have our bow ready with this coordinating ribbon for the Ornate Garden product suite. So we'll stick that onto a glue dot, get it put on there. And I showed you these gilded gems a little bit ago. We will add a few of these. So there you go, a finished card, mostly done by my 6-year-old, and look how pretty those are. This set is just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, there are more products that I didn't even show you today that are included in the set. What, babe? Yep, we will add our color to the ones on the inside here in a minute. And just a really neat set that gives you a little preview of what is coming in the 2020 through 2021 Stampin' Up! Annual product catalog. I've seen it. One of the benefits of being a demonstrator is you get to see it first thing, a long time before customers do. It is amazing. There are so many things in this catalog that I cannot wait to get my hands on and to show you and to create some projects with. So stop back in. I will soon be having some of those products that I'll be able to show you. So hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.